Benefits of NISAR Earth Observation Satellite. Surface soil moisture. NISAR will provide maps of surface soil moisture level globally and helps in prediction of floods, landslides, wildfires, vector-borne disease, and agriculture irrigation. Landslides. NISAR will be able to measure surface deformation directly across hundreds of miles with far greater accuracy than other satellites. Timely maps of flooding. NISAR will be able to map flooding events on a global basis and will provide timely information for flood responders. Even flooding hidden beneath forest canopies will be visible. Damage assessment after natural disasters. Within hours, NISAR satellite mission can provide maps of the damage that occurred and also rapidly provide information for rescue operations. Economic loss estimates. Monitoring volcanic hazards. Radar observations from NISAR mission helps to monitor volcanoes and assess associated hazards, both during periods of unrest and during eruptions. Understanding induced earthquakes. Earthquakes are now occurring in areas associated with resource extraction. The NISAR satellite mission will provide details to categorize and understand the induced earthquake. Coastal regions and ocean moods. NISAR will observe and measure the changes in low-elevation coastal regions caused by ocean moods. Protecting water, land, and people from oil spills. NISAR will acquire images of coastal waters globally to improve response time for oil spills and helpful to identify and readily apprehend those responsible for spill. Food security. NISAR will provide maps of developing crop area on a global basis and provide up-to-date information on the large-scale trends that affect international food security. Terrestrial permafrost, glaciers, ice sheets, and the oceans. NISAR will provide global maps of ice flow for sea level rise impact assessments and do extensive observations on sea ice motion, permafrost surface deformation and sea ice properties globally. Marine hazards. NISAR will monitor ocean wind, waves and sea ice extent that can aid weather forecasting and warn of marine hazards. It benefits sea transportation and coastal communities. Monitoring global forest resources. NISAR will collect high-resolution image of Earth's land surfaces and images each forest at least once every 6 days. And other benefits like managing underground resources, monitoring drought and groundwater withdrawal, etc. The NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission or NISAR mission data is open and free to use. It is very useful for the science community to study the planet Earth and helps in reducing the risk of life, damage to property and preserving the natural resources. Thanks for watching.